Hi guys, in this new video I want to show you a really new strategy I just programmed and I'm using with the Ultimate Backtester. If you don't know what is the Ultimate Backtester, please check out our website, go to our shop. There's the Backtester, also a standard long-term strategy, and you can also book our service and I will help you set up everything. So what is this new strategy about? This strategy, let's honestly say, it's a strategy which really never loses. So I had recently another video about a strategy never loses, but this one is a special one because I made it even more safe than even in every bear market. This strategy just never loses. So I go back and I will show you, like, let's go back. This is already 22, 21, and then you even will see here when this Fed AI coin really dropped hard. Let's say here, for example, it dropped from, let's say, 0.6 down to 0.1, and everywhere there's buys and sells, but here's just with the green flags, no confusion. But yeah, there's always a win, and even on every win you have daily profits. So when I scroll in, you will see there's like daily sales. There are also sometimes some days where it's no sales, but it's depending on the time frame. You can also use the 30 minutes time frame, and then you will have like daily, almost daily, yeah, solds. What is the strategy behind? So in the video with Diego, if you haven't seen it, check out my YouTube channel, the Diego coin. The setup, we just step into a trade once the condition RSI is leaving the 30 areas up. Yeah? So if we have a fallback of an oversold area, this is what the strategy also does. But in speciality, in addition, if you haven't seen this function, if you have the deal start conditions at the backtester, you have the deal start type RSI, but then safety order option. There's an option, you might have not used it. You can set to percentage type and percentage RSI. And this is easily set if you use percentage type. This is the standard 3 setting. It will just buy the safety orders on every percentage downfall. Yeah, and if you use percentage type, percentage RSI, it will use the percentage downfall plus the RSI condition going up out of the 30s area. So every safety order, when there's a drop down plus and going up again, it will buy the safety order, and this gives you always a chance with the following safety orders to close the trade. And this is really nice and only possible with the backtester. So therefore we need, like, for example, let's say the base and safety order, let's say the minimum, and then the take profit quite low, 1.5, and max orders trades count 30. You can also use 15, which is pretty safe because most of the trades will be closed with the first or second safety base and safety order. And then we have a price deviation from 1.5, and then we need a volume scale from 1.1. This is important because you want all the safety orders with a higher volume, because we want to have the chance to close this trade again. So this is really important. And then the safety order step guide. And even if you put, like, for example, max safety trades count 15, which is still really safe, then you need like a minimum capital of 327, which is really nice that it's so low, because then we can easily use a 10x leverage bot on this and have still a small value, or still a small account where we can start with, and even made daily profits. And if you want to use a strategy, I also tell you, I would not use 100% of reinvest, because this covers a deviation with 15 trades counts, I think about 22 price deviation. Let's check, which is quite safe because we don't need that much. But if you use, for example, 30, then you don't need to reinvest lowering down. Because with 15 trades counts, I would use reinvest 50% that you can also grow your konto, your derivatives spot, your derivatives account to have like funds on site, as I explained with the calculator. But this is a really nice strategy if you start leverage trading, for example, and you want to have your deals closed fast, because when they keep long open, you also pay like this funds for leverage. So I hope you like the strategy. If you want to use how to set it up and to use it on your leverage account, just contact me on Discord or on my website, on the shop, on book a service, and I will help you set it up everything. So hope to see you soon. Have a nice evening, and bye bye.